What's up, YouTube? Do you want to know the 5 biggest reasons why people fail at affiliate marketing? If so, stay with me. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora everywhere that I go. I'm actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is 2 things. I review software and info products to make money online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, I don't even know what to tell you anymore. The guy does this all the time. He complains and complains, and he never ever watches my videos. Don't understand him. Anyhow, I also do a lot of these kind of videos on mindset. Liz Lemon, you really are a sweetheart. She says it every time, and it doesn't get old. It's wonderful. She's a wonderful person, Liz Lemon. Thank you, Liz. Now, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Okay, so 5 reasons why you are not making any money as an affiliate marketer. Number 1, you are not taking it seriously. Look, this is a business like anything else. It requires that you take the time to really do the work. Okay, that means building a website. It means building a list. It means building a relationship with that list.
In a romantic relationship?
No, not a romantic relationship. A relationship where people know, like, and trust you. Burn those words into your mind. Know, like, and trust. Okay, if you can get your list to know you, like you, and trust you, that's going to do it. All right. If all you're going to do is look at other affiliate marketers and say, "Oh, I wish I had that." Sorry, ain't gonna happen. Number 2, you're being lazy about your business, about your bonuses. Okay, and I see this all the time from so many people who are what I would call wannabe affiliate marketers. If you aren't offering bonuses at all, which that's ridiculous, especially if you work in the make money online niche. People who buy products to make money online niche have learned to look for bonuses. So you really have to have them, but even in other niches, offer bonuses because you want to differentiate yourself from somebody else. So definitely offer bonuses, but also if you're one of the people who is basically going and offering a bunch of PLR crap that you found for free on some website, and you think you're just going to throw 100 bonuses up. Oh, look here, free bonuses, and it's all crap. People see right through that. They're not interested. Okay, you want to offer bonuses that are actually, first of all, congruent. That's really, really important. Congruent bonuses. Every time that I'm promoting something, I think to myself, okay, what can I offer that would actually be something that people would find useful when I'm doing when I'm using this kind of a product, and I try to make a bonus that is highly congruent to what it is that they're actually buying, and that really does help with sales a lot. And they should actually be valuable, of course. I can't stress this enough. A bonus that has 0 value, it's just not going to fly. Okay, seriously, it's just not going to make any, going to do anything for people. You have to be able to explain why it's valuable, why people should be desperate to get your bonus. And if you can't explain that, then well, you're not going to make much in the way of sales, if any. Okay, number 3, you refuse to get on camera. Look, I know a lot of people are shy. They feel embarrassed by getting on camera. Maybe English isn't your first language. And by the way, I've done a video on this in the past. If English isn't your first language, then record videos in your own language. Even though people might speak English, they're going to really appreciate seeing your review in their own language, and they'll be buying from you as opposed to from me or somebody else who is a native English speaker. So that shouldn't be a reason to stop. Okay, now I know I've seen Jono Armstrong do his videos where he talks about how you don't have to be on camera. I've actually bought some of his products before I started making any real money online. I bought some of his products where he talks about this. And you know what? Jono, I love him. He's a great guy. But really and truthfully, you're never going to make any serious money if you are not willing to go on camera. I'm sorry. It's the reason is simple. People need to know, like, and trust you. And it's really, really hard for people to feel like they can trust you when you're not willing to show your face.
It's about trust.
Exactly. Number four, you are inconsistent. This is the single biggest killer of internet marketing dreams that I've ever seen. Pay close attention to this one. This is the big kahuna. Okay. I know that I am sometimes guilty of this myself. I am not perfect about it. I freely admit that. Okay. I know I need to be much better about making sure I'm always uploading videos every single day. I don't always do it. Sometimes I miss a day because I'm tired or whatever, and that's bad for business. I know it, and I'm trying my best to get better at being consistent. It's hard. It's very hard to be consistent. You have to make sure you're emailing your list every day. And you don't have to always send out offers, by the way, to your list. You could send out something free. You could send out some funny whatever. Like my mentor Stephen Alvey, on Sundays he has this tradition where he sends out an email usually with a little riddle, and he says, "It's Sunday. Get to church, ya heathens." It's a little joke. He's a very, very, very religious, spiritual man, and it works for him. That's part of his brand, that people have come to expect that from him on a Sunday, and it works. But you have to be consistent about sending emails to your list every day. You have to be consistent about about putting up videos on your YouTube channel every single day, as much as you possibly can. Be consistent. Okay, and number five, you're not bothering to collect leads. John Chow, another great guy that I absolutely love. John, he's one of the best people in this industry. John Chow has a great line where he says that the money you make is on the sale after the sale. All right. So if somebody is willing to go ahead and give you 100% commissions, why do you think they're willing to give you 100% commissions? They're making absolutely nothing, because they're getting a valuable asset. They're getting a lead. They're getting the name and email of somebody that they know buys stuff in this particular niche. And so they're going to make a ton of money by selling them other stuff after the fact. It's called the sale after the sale. Now, first of all, if you have a way of integrating so that you can collect the leads, great. But if not, there's a simple method that I use, which is called a bridge page. Basically, what you do is you create a page on your own website, which you want it to look as congruent as possible with the actual product that you're going to be promoting. So I usually go and grab the actual color. I try to grab a background image, whatever it is. I try to make it as congruent looking as possible with the actual product. And then I have a little opt-in form at the bottom, basically where they're just going to give their name and email, and then it will forward them automatically onto the sales page. Now, it's not perfect. You get a lot of tire kickers. You do turn some people off when they see a form and they say, "Oh, I don't want to put my name into a form just in order to take a look at the sales page." It's not a perfect system, but it does get you a list, and you are going to get some buyers out of that, and that's really, really important. So yeah, go ahead and build yourself a um, build yourself a list, and this is a good way to get started. It's how I got started making my first few sales.
Well, how about that? I made my first sale.
Yeah, it's a great feeling, isn't it? And I really, really, really want you to have that feeling also. So go out there and make it happen.